Hello everybody, I hope you all safe and well amid the pandemic. I sincerely hope that IASDR 2021 Hong Kong will be the first major design research conference which can be held physically.
We have experienced an unforgettable 2020 together. Now we are entering the new year of 2021. This is the moment for our global design community to work together to rethink our education, research, and practice, especially on how design can contribute to shape a better and a different world after COVID-19.
IASDR 2021 with Design, Reinventing Design Mode is a specific theme that challenges the way that we think about design and design research. Within this framework, we have developed 8 specific themes to allow participants to expose all bodies of work, products and knowledge in a communal format.
The conference has 5 different participation formats. The first one is traditional papers. We welcome long papers and short papers. The second one and third one are actually the first time IASDR offered, which is pictorial format and design objects format. The fourth one would be doctoral consortium, and then the last one would be workshops. For details of these participation formats, please check our website.
As the co-chair of the conference, I'm looking forward to meeting you in person in Hong Kong this year. Thank you very much.
Please be the Hong Kong the first conference you share your research findings experience in the conference. See you in Hong Kong.